Consider the following function. Which of the following choices represents the same relationship as the given function? Let's start by looking at answer choice A. A says the function's graph line intercepts with the y-axis at the point y is equal to 1, and with the x-axis at the point x is equal to negative 1/3. To check to see if this is true, we'll need to find our x-intercept, where y equals 0, and our y-intercept, where x is equal to 0. Let's start with that one. Y-intercept will have y is equal to 3x plus 1, and then we'll need to plug in 0 for x. Y is equal to 3 times 0 plus 1. 3 times 0 will just give us 0 plus 1, which will give us 1, making that part of the question, or the answer choice so far, true. And then we'll switch back to purple, and we'll do this one where we'll have y is equal to 3x plus 1, and we'll set y equal to 0. 0 is equal to 3x plus 1. We'll need to do opposite operations to isolate x, so we'll subtract 1 from both sides. These will cancel, giving us negative 1 is equal to 3x. Then 3 is being multiplied to x, so the opposite operation is to divide both sides by 3. And that will give us negative 1/3 is equal to x, making the other part true and making A overall our correct answer. But for the sake of the video, I'll go through and show you why B, C, and D are incorrect. For answer choice B, we just need to plug in some values of x and see if they match our values of y. So we'll have y is equal to 3x plus 1. Let's plug in 1 for x. Y is equal to 3 times 1 plus 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, not 0, making answer choice B incorrect. For answer choice C, we need to rearrange this function to have y be isolated on the left-hand side so that we can properly compare them. Let's take x is equal to y divided by 3 plus 1. We'll do opposite operations to isolate y. We'll subtract 1 from both sides. These will cancel, giving us x minus 1 is equal to y divided by 3. And y is being divided by 3, so the opposite operation here is multiplication to both sides. These 3's will cancel, giving us 3 times x minus 1 is equal to y. If we were to distribute that, we would have 3 times x is 3x, minus 3 times 1 is 3, equals y. And just for the sake of ease, we'll flip this to say y equals 3x minus 3. So this equation does not match our original equation and thus makes answer choice C incorrect. And finally, for answer choice D, the graph in answer choice D goes through the origin, or the point 0, 0, which this graph does not do because it has a y-intercept. It has a b value of positive 1. So the graph really should look like this if it were correct, but it goes through the origin, making answer choice D incorrect.